Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you are the college students and looking for some important internship opportunity, then I came with more than 5 plus important internship opportunity from various NITs, IITs and the Indian Space Academy. So if you are interested, must apply, and I will suggest utilize this semester break, okay, and must apply for this internship drive. You must be selected for any one internship, okay, if you will apply for all those. So first important internship opportunity, that is from the Indian Space Academy, Department of Space Educations, and this is a summer training program. So you will be getting a knowledge of the remote sensing and GIS using Python, Hello Physics and all those stuff. So you can apply just by clicking here, and the registration started in 9 April 2026, which already started, and last day to register is 15th May. Make sure to share this video among your friends, okay, and this will be online internship, so you can basically do the internship from there, and if you will add this in your resume, then this will for sure give the additional advantage. So for applying, just you have to click the link here and you have to provide all those basic details. Means first of all you have to do the registrations and provide all those full name, city and all those. Means you have to upload the passport size, and you have to do the minimum price, means you have to pay something. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. And if you are looking for some free internship also, there are, means lots of internship are there. So that is from the NIT Warangal internship program for the role of AIML TLC. So if you are interested in AIML, then you can apply. Again, for these internship, I think they are giving they are charging the registration fee. So I think you will for sure get that, but the seats are limited, so make sure to apply as soon as possible. Moving to next important opportunity. So this was the means basically the NIT Warangal internship. So 1 to 30 June, you have to just register it and you will be getting lots of things, okay. So clearly mention they have charges and you have to just fill the form. Moving to next important opportunity, and that is for the role of cyber security data analytics, and the basically NIELT Patna is hiring, okay. So if you are interested, you can apply. So you have to just visit to this link and you will be redirected to this page, that is the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Patna, or simply NIT Patna. And these are the some hiring, means getting, and especially internships. So if you want, you can apply for this. Means I will suggest, if you are residing nearest location like Kolkata or nearest to it, then apply. Don't go for the internship far from your home. That's my personal advice. But if you're interested, you can go anywhere, okay. Next important opportunity from the BE, BTech, EC, CSC, EE, and if you have some experience, then you can also apply from the CDOT website. So this is also a wonderful opportunity for the post of scientist BC. So just go through complete job link in the description, I will provide there, and limited positions are there. So of course there will be lots of competitions. So from the, if you are from the BE, BTech, or ME, MTech, EC or background, then you can apply. Just go through complete job in the description, which I will share here. Next important opportunity, and that is last, that is from the SCL Tech internship drive. So still, means I provided this update earlier too. So this is a 9-month stipend based internship. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. For applying, you have to just register here. Remember, I suggest 2026 pass out, don't apply for this, okay, because you will be getting separate hiring from the SCL Tech, and that is also going on, which we have already provided earlier. So if you are interested, you can apply. Then friends, for this program, I suggest this program must apply. That is the summer trainee Indian Space Academy, because you will be getting lots of perks and benefits, and you will be getting lots of knowledge. So your knowledge will be enhanced, and just go through complete the description before applying, that what they are asking for, what are the eligibility criteria, what are the fees and seats. So this will be a 14 days or 6-week internship will be there. You will be giving, means you have to basically provide the training fee, that is 1750. Means this is, I think you should apply, because itna bhi zyada koi cost nahi hai, and this is non refundable. So if you want, you can apply. So that's all the benefits. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.